It's working!
That just sounds like a virus.
I took my Cabela bucks! Yoink!
That looks like a good one, dude. This can't be real already.
Why is this supposed to be possible?
So I honestly wish this wasn't true, but when I was a kid, like 13, 14 years old, I thought I could breathe out of my butt. I straight up legitimately believed I could inhale and absorb oxygen through my butt. I never told anyone this. I never shared it with anyone, but there's a catch, see, because of real science in my 13, 14-year-old head, I thought this only works if my butt is elevated above my lungs. So I'm sitting there homesick from school, not sure if I was actually sick, I might've been pretending. I'm sitting there watching like a nature documentary, butt in the air, thinking I'm breathing out of it. I believed 100% that I was breathing through my butt. We had like an above ground pool that I filled it up. I got in there and I stuck my butt up out while my head was underwater, and I thought I'd be able to stay under longer. I convinced myself. And because of that, because like I actually believed it so hard. I mean, I know it's dumb, but I mean, what if I was though? You know what I'm saying? Like, what if I did, because I was so dumb, breathe out of my butt? See, because that's supposed to be impossible. At this same time in my life, one thing that people always told me, Macs are better because it's impossible to get a virus on them. And I'm thinking, bro, I just breathed out of my butt. I'm pretty sure I could put a virus on that thing.
When I started recording this, I actually thought to myself, I don't know if I'm gonna post this.
So what I got here is a nice fresh one.
But then some stuff happened that I legitimately did not know was possible.
I mean, I haven't done any research or anything. I just think I'm about to put 100 viruses on this thing. And then at the end, I'm gonna turn it off and back on. Wow, so fresh and new, dude. Download latest version, Internet Explorer for Mac. Perfect. The legit official download, pre-download. I'll download that too. Allow everything. And we back. We back and doing it, man. Do you want to allow downloads? Yes, please. Oh, look, they've got the nipple mouse. Ooh, a big green button that says start. Okay. Online registration. Your connection is fast. Thank you. Fill in your email. Nick.com. Thank you. Created an account. Created an Internet Explorer account. Free membership. Look, I'm already stumbling upon great deals. Will not be charged. Credit card. Well, I don't see any problem with that. I think I'll go get my credit card. They'll probably take Cabela's gift cards, right? Here we go. Let's see if they'll take it. Please don't use my Cabela's gift card. This is mine. Continue. Ah, shucks. They don't take Cabela's cards. All right, well, that's trash. I thought it was free, dude. Internet Explorer, yes, please. Internet Explorer cannot be opened because it's from an identified developer. Oh, yeah, here we go. Nick. And then my birthday. There we go, baby. Internet Explorer. Agreed. PowerPC applications are no longer supported? That's fine. I'm not even upset. Let's just find Mac browser free. Rock melt? Sure. Oh yeah. Allow. Yeah. Rock melt. Avast security. We gotta get that installed. That way if viruses are coming at me, I've got Avast. Oh, there's a myth that Macs don't get viruses, but that's just a myth. Inhale and absorb oxygen through my butt. That's what we're testing. Oh, Mac is not fully protected. We're gonna see, dude. We'll see. First off, why are we on Google? Let's type in search engine. Oh, there's no more pages?
Rest in peace, page 15, Bing, free Minecraft.
We'll go down like 15 times. Brave.com, search engine, search the web. Here we go. Free games. Let's see what we get. freemacpcgames.com. That seems like that's where I want to be. Oh, a little bit of Angry Birds. Here we go.
Here's where the first bit of sketchiness actually started.
Oh, scan. Oh, we're already getting a free scan. Oh, high risk.
Fake McAfee auto full screened and said I was already grandma mode.
This can't be real. Oh, it can't be that easy.
And I guess I mean it's not impossible that I already had tons of viruses.
I haven't even breathed out of my butt yet. Okay, let's click start. Yeah, I mean, sure, they found the
But this didn't even scrape the surface of the sketch we were about to receive.
Oh my goodness. For 3 minutes, I have a 55% discount? That's right, we can renew. We'll go to renew right now. Just gonna redirect me 7 or 8 times, and then we'll check out. I don't like how this redirected me to something I've actually used before. I feel like whatever just happened, that wasn't legit, bro. Like that was the farthest from legit. That was scammy. Let's see if they'll take the Cabela's bucks. Dude, it's working. What? They took my Cabela bucks? I actually typed it in. They're probably gonna take my Cabela bucks. Let's go ahead and install the weird CC cleaner. That's probably legit. Yeah. Continue. See how fast we can get through this. Read license. Agree. Nice. What? The free version? Bro, I paid Cabela's V-Bucks for this. I got hosed. Mac Games Box. I really want to play a game. Like, I'm kind of, so far I can't establish security and secure connection. I don't need a secure connection. I just need any connection. Always trust. I feel like someone is looking at me through my camera now. Repackgames.com. Here we go. Free download and setup. That's what I needed. Download now. Yep. Now we're on gunsongs.website. That's probably legit. That's probably legit. And now we're on apple.com. .dmg downloads. Ooh, big green click. Yes, please. No credit card required. Let's see if they're legit. Oh, stop it, bro. I just want one free game to play because I need some dopamine. Handbrake for real. Bearshare for Mac. Free. Dude, this can't be real. Wait, is Bearshare still a thing? Like, is it still for real? Download Bearshare for Mac? Yes, please. I have to wait 17 seconds. I wish I had a game. Okay, alternative link didn't work. Try our main link. Click here. Okay, download didn't work. Click here. Oh my goodness, I'll click it here. I'll click it here, dude. I'll click here. It's such good reviews. Here, my name is Nick. No worky. Bearshare Music 5.1. Yeah. Yeah. We'll just click the big free download click. And we'll click open. Bearshare worky. Looking for Bearshare music? Yeah, find it. There it is. Download. We'll download this. No way this actually works. Right? Whoa. Oh, it's an EXE.
Now, I'm an above average tech bro. Like, I know how to plug in an HDMI cable, so Mama calls me from time to time and I fix her laptop.
EXE on Mac. Run Microsoft Windows software on Mac.
And it was news to me that I could just natively run EXE programs on a Mac.
Sure, let's get a free trial of that bad boy.
Somehow with this program that's definitely not a virus?
Install Windows applications.
BearshareMusicFree.exe. Yes, do it. Do it. Is it working? Dude, what is... So naturally, I gave it full access to my entire life.
Okay. You can do whatever you want, brother. Dude, is it actually doing it? Installing?
It's working! What? No! It can't be this simple.
No way.
No way. I feel dirty. I feel like the FBI is about to come get me, bro. And then I thought to myself, what any bro would think in this situation.
What if I run a Windows ransomware on a Mac? What happens? Oh my goodness, what is this? It's connecting to things?
But before I could breathe through my butt.
Is this a Napster chat? I'm using Napster.
I had so many things to try.
That just opened up so many options.
Oh, imagine someone's there right now. Anybody out there?
This is sketch, bro. Shared files. Is this literally what Bearshare was? Was people just share files?
So now I can just download EXEs, bro. Let's get my Internet Explorer.
V1.0 free download. I don't want ransomware yet, so I'm gonna put not ransomware. Internet Explorer. Oh, baby, look at that one. No way, it just works, right? For your experience, I'm having a great time. It works, boops it into the downloads. Okay, it's downloaded, so I go to my weird program. No way. Installing unlisted application. It's not exported on this operating system. So Internet Explorer 7 doesn't work. Ghost browser. Oh, sick. I'm having a great time. Does it zoop it? Zoop. Fortnite version 14. Wait, which one is it? Please. Is it that? There's no way it's this one. Oh, it's working. Install Ghost Browser. Poggers, please, 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 please. Yes, yes. I'm on ghostbrowser.exe. Look at that. Look how, oh, look at the little ghost. It's pretty cute, dude. Oh, is it Ghost Browser? Because it's literally a ghost. Like I can't use it. My Ghost Browser went away. Or it's still there and I just can't see it. Hide. Let's try Internet Explorer 9. Oh yeah, see this one got 4 stars, so it'll probably work. Excellent. Please, yes, no! Oh dude, I still need a game. Allow. I don't know what that said. Oh, games. Oh, Covert Strike? Yes, please. Zoop, that was nice. Nice, is it working? Yo, I'm installing this game. Internet Explorer 9. Install, please. Internet Explorer, I've never wanted it so badly. Yes. Get the most from the web. That's all I wanted to do was get the most from the web. Oh my goodness. Oh, dude. Instagram 2. Demo Covert Strike. Dude, imagine this game actually runs. Like, what are the odds it actually runs? No way, right? There's just no way. Like, all of this just works. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Is it working? Yes! I'm running Internet Explorer 9 on a brand new MacBook. Let's go!
Updating the registry?
Setup complete, demo installed.
Ah!
No way.
What? What, dude? I can't believe this can't be for real.
Okay, let's go to MySpace.
What? Yo,
How is everything so flawlessly functioning? Oh my goodness. I want at least one toolbar. Wow, that loaded very slowly. Where am I? What is life? 6,000 results. Okay, load it up, baby. I'm ready. I'm patient and I'm ready. Load it up.
And then reality started to set in.
I didn't expect everything to actually work this good.
And it occurred to me,
What if the viruses actually work this good too?
you see, I had intentions of just using this laptop when I was done with the video.
I shouldn't be allowed nice things.
I didn't want to actually destroy it.
I can't. That's not good. I'm stuck in this. Bing toolbar. Bing bar. Bing bar. Downloading. Oh, where does it download to if I download it on this? Open C drive. Here we go. Oh, okay. Bing wallpaper. Yes, please. Download latest version. Oh, nice. We got a new tab for that one. Where's my Bing wallpaper? Just so everyone knows, you can't download stuff. You're on Internet Explorer 9, your new MacBook. It doesn't do it. Got to go to our new browser. Command V there. That in there. Bing wallpaper. Bing wallpaper for Windows. And then undefeated oilfield accident lawyers open. Now we can call a lawyer. Oh, here we go. Did it work? It worked. Yoink. All right, we have to try this. We've got to go see if ransomware works. Something just downloaded. Don't know what that was. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do.
As soon as I got to this website, my screen recording cut out. Somehow.
The zoo.
And I was starting to feel funny.
All right, we are downloading ransomware currently. Oh my goodness. I'm downloading some... Okay, I'm pretty scared. We've got 2 ransomwares. Literally all of my antivirus has done nothing. Let's just select the ransomware. Choose install the ransomware.
I had no idea what to expect.
What does ransomware do when normally it's like on a Windows computer, is it gonna be able to get all my stuff?
And it seemed, at least for the time being,
Let's just install another one. Just install another ransomware.
that I might be safe.
Okay, there's 2. It should be a puzzle. I feel like I have dirty guts.
And then suddenly, things started happening.
Oh no. A file just appeared and then went away. Oh, what is this? No, dude, I think it's working. It's producing files. Producing files and then the files go away. But I'm pretty sure that's what ransomware does until it's in the whole thing. Just run a quick scan. I'm pretty sure there's ransomware running in the background, so like I have no idea what's gonna happen because it's like Windows ransomware, but it is running and installing. It's finding them, bro.
18? I had fallen short of my goal of not being a clickbaity loser.
And everything's still working fine though. We gotta pump these numbers up.
So I summoned my inner little brother borrowing your laptop
virus,
energy.
right?
Minecraft, yes. And installed a few more ransomwares.
You just installed more Windows ransomware. We're just gonna restart the computer. It's fine. You just turn it off and back on and everything's fine. And then you don't have to worry about it. See, look, everything's just back to the way it was. No issues found. Everything's fine. No problems at all.
And then I left it overnight. I came to the realization that I had installed a virus on myself when I licked that public bathroom doorknob.
I got sick. I had a nosebleed.
But that wasn't enough. I came back and I installed more.
Ransomware's, everything's loading really slow.
And more.
Diarrhea log?
And it got darker.
Some stuff's just not showing up.
Darker than it had gotten in a while.
Maybe do it. This is really sketch, dude.
Things that weren't supposed to be possible
Form 1
were happening.
Oh my goodness. What is this? Oh my goodness. There's no way this is legit, right? What does that mean? Oh my goodness. No way. Why are all the viruses cats? This is the one where if you X out of it, 2 more can come up. Oh my goodness, dude. I force quit this one, but the cats are still there.
The other MacBooks on my network were glitching.
My wife is sending...
No, seriously, I forgot to disable some serious networking features and got really scared.
No. Bluetooth off. Uh-oh. Oh no. It's not connected to the... No. I like to access files on a network volume? What? Infinite crypto?
But I had to keep going.
Yeah, I want infinite crypto? Access files in your...
I had to find out if it was possible.
Okay.
I couldn't stop.
No. Oh. My goodness.
Hello there. What is your name?
Poop Dog. My name is Poop Dog.
The deeper I fell, the more curious I became.
Nice to meet you. Poop Dog.
Was I on to something? Had anyone ever tested this
What is
before?
this? What is Agent Server? The butterflies are back. This shouldn't work. Oh no. It's something might delete all my screen recording.
Dude, the goose. Forgot the goose freaking takes your mouse.
Help me. Help me. No. be possible? Advanced issues? Hijacks?
141? Oh no!
How ridiculous it would be to think that something like this was possible. But was I wrong? Or simply challenging the boundaries of what people knew to be true? Like Japanese scientists discovered in 2021 that mammals could utilize their butts for gas exchange? So I wasn't the dumbest kid alive. I mean, I was pretty dumb. Sometimes the most extraordinary discoveries come from asking what might seem like the dumbest questions.